Hey, Mr. Charles, this is Jacob Sparks here at Moore Dodge in Silsbee, Texas. I know I'm going to give you a call right around lunch, but I figured I'd go out here and take a video of our 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee for you. As you can see, this vehicle is still in great condition. It is aged very well, especially being a loaded out Laredo 4x4. As you can see, this vehicle doesn't even have a scratch on it. The tires are almost brand new. Equipped with a remote start. As you can see, the interior is still in great condition. I look forward to hearing back from you here pretty soon and being able to work with you and further assist you on this great Grand Cherokee.